So I tried this fried rice and it's banged. So I decided to share it with you guys. So here I have my sweet corn, I have my liver, green peel, my chicken broth, my rice, my green pepper, green corn, and red pepper, and I had the carrot to that. So here you have like your onion here first, then you add minced garlic and ginger together, and then like simmer for some time. Then after that I added my rice. So it's fried rice, so I have to fry my rice, so I ensure that the rice was well fried. So I added seasoning, the bouillon powder, and the salt. As you can see that it's well fried now. So once I saw that it was fried, I added my broth to that. I didn't add it in the video. So I took enough time to fry my carrots and other things I'll be needing for that. You can see this in the first cup. So now everything is coming together. So I try to pour it together. So you have to pour it together into the pot and mix it very, very well. Then you try to leave it like that in the pot and let it like cook before you unroll it, or you put it into the pan and fry it. So I like frying pan, so I fried it well so it's not just spoiled very easily. And this was very